up friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Chillin Chilli from Steel of Brainrot, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started in the center with the glasses. We're going to draw in a slight curved line right in the middle. We're going to start on the left hand side, bringing this line out on a diagonal, curving that around, and then back up on the left hand side. And then we're going to flip across to the right and just replicate that again. Now on the side, let's bring this further out. So we're going to bring this line out and then back up, ending that at the same height. Let's bring this in towards the middle now. So we're going to flatten this line out, dipping this down as we come in towards the middle, bringing that in towards the center. We're going to step over on the right hand side, replicating that. So flattening that out, curving that slightly, dipping that down in the middle and blending that back together right in the center. Let's draw on the lenses on the glasses now. So on the top, we're going to draw in a slight curved line from left to right. And then as we come underneath, let's just follow the shape of the glasses on the outside. Now let's come down and draw in the mouth. We're going to draw in a nice big curved line right in the middle. And then dropping underneath, we're going to create a nice big arch line this time, connecting that together. Now from here for the teeth on the top, we're just going to bring this line across, closing that off. And then for the tongue, we're just going to arch this up right in the center. And then let's add in a small detail line underneath, curving that across. Let's come up for the top of the head here. So we're going to curve this line in on the left and right hand side. And we're just going to leave a gap right in the center as we do this. To the left of this now, we're going to dip this line down, up, and then back over on the right. And now let's draw on the top of the chili. So on the right hand side here, we're going to curve this line around, bringing that out, and then back up. And now let's start back on this line on the top, curving this around, in, and then over on the left hand side. Now to the left of this, we're going to curve this all the way around and over towards the right hand side. We're just going to extend this so it is still in frame with our glasses here. And then from this point, we're going to curve this in, stretching that out and bringing that through towards the glasses on the top. Now let's draw on the arms. So we're going to come up, drawing in a diagonal line coming out on both sides. Now from here, we're going to curve this line up on a diagonal towards the top corner of each side of the page. Let's draw on the thumb. Stepping in, we're going to curve this around, hooking this through for the thumb, bringing that back through. Now for the first finger, we're going to bring this line up, around, and then back down on the side. Let's move in, curving this around, back down towards the thumb. Let's keep moving across. So again, curving this around, down, tucking that in towards the thumb. And now let's draw in the pinky. So we're going to bring this line out, around, and then back in towards the bottom. And now let's close off the bottom of the hand. So we're going to curve this around and then in, leaving a gap right in the center. Now let's close this off. So on the side, we're going to bring this line down, bending that at the elbow, bringing that in towards the body. Now let's draw on the legs. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down. And then stepping up, we're going to replicate that, just ending that on a diagonal. And then we'll step over on the right-hand side, lining that up at the same height. We're just going to tuck that up. Let's draw on the shoe. So for the back portion here, we're going to curve this line down. We'll do the exact same thing on the right, arching that in, ending that at the same height. Now from here on the inside, we're going to curve this around, up and in towards the body. then we're going to do the exact same thing on the left, curving this up and over, stretching that past our line on the top. Now from here on the bottom, let's close off the bottom of the shoes. We're just going to curve this out to the side. And then on the side here, we're going to curve this up, down, and then in towards that line on the very, very top. Now let's close off the sole of the shoes. We're just going to arch this line over. And then on the top, we're going to curve this line over and in towards the middle. We're going to do the exact same thing as we move down, curving this through. And then in the center, we're just going to draw in 2 curved lines. And then now from here, we're just going to close these all off on the side with a curved line for the shoelaces, like this. And we're just going to draw in the symbol here. So we're going to curve this around and in. And we're going to do the same on the opposite foot, just mirroring that in the opposite direction. Now from this point, we're going to curve this around and in. And that is it. That's how you draw Chillin' Chilli from Steal a Brainrot. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.